Hello everyone, Sanskar here, and today we will be talking about why most AI websites look like garbage and how we can fix it. When I say they look like garbage, I'm talking about this classic purple gradient using either Inter or Roboto fonts and just giving you this templatey feel to a website that you generate. This happens due to something called distributional convergence, which just means that even though individual results in a prediction might stay random, but overall a pattern is being created. Essentially, that LLMs will take the average of the design that they have been trained on. And most design present on the internet is quite bad. So they'll take safe choices, bring down the average from which is a very beautiful design to something that's very safe and create a generic version every time. But the good news is that can be fixed. First, let's go to a tool called V0 to verify if it's actually a problem. Talking about the design, let's just ask it to create us a landing page for a design agency. As you can see here, that it came up with something. Overall, the design is not bad, but it is a very safe design. Probably because V0 is also doing some things under the hood. But essentially, the fonts that they are using here are quite safe. And we want something that stands out of the crowd for you to get more views on the landing page. So how you would fix that is with a very simple trick. What Anthropic recommends is that you can steer the model by just very simple prompting. So for example, if you want to one-shot a design page with better typography, what you would do is just use this format. Basically, you would tell them to never use Inter, Roboto, Open Sans, Lato, or something that's super safe. You would want it to experiment a bit. You would want it to be a bit more aesthetic. So let's try to design a new page by using this prompt. Let's go to v0.dev. Create me a landing page for design agency. And this time we'll use this prompt. Now, as you can see here, the comparison between these two websites is night and day. This is what you would expect from a website which is meant to be a landing page for a design studio, taking bold experimental decisions, not something that's very boilerplate, and something that actually makes it stand out, which is what you would want to do instead of generating an AI slop website. So this was a very simple video where we learned how you can improve your AI designed website with a single trick. My name is Sanskar and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.